everyone, welcome back. This week we're going to be doing Shark Week Part 2, and we're going to have a fun craft and experiment for you guys today. So first we're going to start with our shark puppet.
So to make your shark puppet, and this will be included in the virtual to-go kit, there will be a template that you cut out these little pieces, and then you're going to trace those pieces onto a paper plate so you get these little pieces. And these are going to be like the body of your shark and its fins and things like that. So what you're going to do first after you cut them out is you're going to make a little hole using your brad, and you're going to put it right behind his teeth, and then you're going to make a second hole in his jaw right at the back. And then you're going to push them together like that and separate the ends of the brad. And you're going to squish them flat, just like that. And that holds the jaw in place. So whenever we add the little stick to it, it can move. So now what you want to do is you want to take your fins and you want to glue them onto the back so that way he can swim. And then you're just going to glue it to the back like this, and his tail's a little bit smaller than his body, but that's okay. You can always add more to the tail if you want to. So he's got a funny little tail here. And then what we want to do is we want to fold the bottom of this last fin like this. And on this little flap here is where you're going to put some more glue. And you're going to put it on his side. That way your shark has a little fin. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and color or paint your shark in whatever colors you want to. And then once you color it how you want to, I'm not going to color mine today, but once you finish coloring yours however you want to use your Googly Eye. And this one is a peel and stick, or you can glue it on, either way. And we're just going to put his eye right here. And now we can see. So what we're going to do next is, since it's a puppet, we want to be able to move it, right? So we're going to use our straws to make him move. So we're going to tape our straws to the back and to his jaw. So you're going to flip your shark over, and using your tape, you're gonna lay the tape across the straw, and I'm gonna crisscross two pieces so it stays on, just like that. And then we're gonna stick our second straw to his jaw here. We're going to try and hide it as much as possible so people don't see the straw in his mouth. But if you can see it, it's not a big deal. It'll just look funny. And then, once you have it, I think I may have stuck on, yep. You want to be careful whenever you're sticking on the tape so you don't do what I did, which is tape your jaw to the body. We want to be able to make it move. So once you have your stick and your straws in place, now you can make him chomp. That's all you need to make your shark puppet.
That's a cool looking puppet too.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so we are going to do our How Do Sharks Float experiment next. So what you will need is 2 balloons. Preferably the different color balloons so that you can know which one is which. Water, vegetable oil, and then you're going to need a bin of some sorts with water in it so that they can either sink or float. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take a balloon, and you are going to pour water into it. So we're going to have Miss Mary help with that. Okay. Alright, and then make sure that you have the least amount of air as possible into your balloon. And you want to just tie it up. And if you want to, you can give your balloon a little face. I'm just gonna put, this may not, he's just gonna have a little face, if you guys can see that. I would recommend putting the face on before you put the water in the balloon. Alright, now that we have our next one, I'm going to go ahead and put the face on first. But the next one we're going to fill up with vegetable oil. And you just want to do 1/4 cup. That's about 1/4 cup. And I'm going to get Miss Mary to help again. And you're just going to pour your vegetable oil in there as well. Alright, can be a little slippery, guys, so hold on tight, and then you're just going to tie your balloon up. Just like that. So now we have our water balloon and we have our oil balloon, and next you're going to drop them in the water to see which one will sink or which one will float. And if you want to do a little hypothesis and guess to see which one will sink or float, you can. You ready? All right. As you guys can see, it looks like our water balloon is sinking and our vegetable oil shark is floating. And this is because sharks actually have an oily liver, which actually allows them to be more buoyant and float, and water of course does not. So it's less buoyant and therefore it will sink to the bottom. All right, I hope you guys came out with this same ending experiment. And if not, please post your successes and post your fails too. All right, don't forget to call the Suffolk Public Library to see if we have any more packs, virtual packs for this program if you do not have one. And thank you and have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.